Hello my dear children, this is Vajjiha Kausar. Welcome to computer class. In the previous classes, we have learned computer is very smart machine. It helps us to do many work. It makes our work very easy. In the second chapter, we have learned different parts of computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU, printer, mouse, microphone, CD, speakers. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3. How does a computer work? A computer cannot work its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures, instruction into the computer to do work. These are called data. Different parts of computer works different tasks. A computer works in 3 basic steps. I, P, O. Input, process, output. Now, we will discuss real life examples of input, process, output. For example, I have a pencil. See, it's a new pencil. This pencil is known as input. Now, if I want to write, what I will do? I have to sharp. So, I use sharpener to sharp. What I am doing now? Sharpening the pencil. This sharpening the pencil is known as process. The sharpening of pencil is known as process. After sharpening, I get sharpened pencil. This sharpened pencil is known as output. The new pencil is known as input. Sharpening the pencil is a process and the sharpened pencil is known as output. Now we'll see one more example. See children, if I have a dirty clothes, what I will do? I will wash it. So this dirty clothes is known as input. This dirty clothes is known as input. If I put in the washing machine will wash it. What the washing machine is doing? Washing my clothes. It is known as process. Washing machine is known as process. After washing, what the washing machine will give us? The clean clothes. So, this clean clothes is known as output from the machine. What we are giving input to the machine? Input is our dirty clothes to washing machine. What the washing machine is doing? Cleaning the clothes. The work is done in the machine. Then what it's giving us? It's giving us clean clothes. This clean clothes is known as output. Let us understand these 3 steps: input, process, output by taking an example of our body. How? See children, if I ask you a question, I'm a teacher. If I'm asking a question to you, you are listening with your ears and seeing with your eyes. Ears and eyes are input. Ears and eyes are input. You're seeing me and hearing my words. These 2 parts of the body is input. Now, after seeing and listening, what you will do? My message will go to your brain. What your brain will do? Your brain will keep my question in your mind and start processing and finding the answer. So brain is process. After doing the processing, the question, what your brain will do? It will give an answer. How you will give me answer? By your mouth. Yes. So mouth is your output. Eyes and ears are input because you are listening my words through ears and seeing me. So these two are input, and afterwards your brain will process the question and find out the solution. The result you will say by your mouth. This mouth is output. So these two are input, your brain is process, and your mouth is output. These all were the real life examples of IPO, input, process, output. Now we will see this IPO, how it works in computer. Means in the computer what are input device, process device and output device. Data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. We use keyboard, mouse to enter the data and instructions into the computer. So, keyboard and mouse are known as input device. Working on data is called processing. For processing, CPU helps us. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, work on the data and does all the thinking and calculation work. Output means final result. When the CPU finished processing the data, the output display on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output device. Input devices are keyboard, mouse. It helps us to enter data and instructions in the computer. Processing device is CPU. It thinks and do work and display on the output. So output devices are monitor and printer. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. Here, with the help of keyboard, I am pressing 2 plus 5. 2 and 5 are the data. Plus is the instruction. Now, CPU will work on the data according to the given instruction. That is, it will add numbers 2 and 5. The correct result or output of the sum will display on the monitor. That is, 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. This is the way the computer works through IPO, input, process, output, and it helps our work easy. I hope you all have understood today's class. We'll meet you soon in the next class. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye. Bye-bye.